till morning you have seen like introduction to Windows and what are the various flavors of Windows and how this evolution and history of Windows and what are the basic difference between Windows and Linux. So now we will see like what is the introduction to the Linux operating systems. Okay. So I think the Linux operating system is secure as compared to the Windows operating system, right? So basically like it has the ext4 file systems and compared to the Windows operating systems, it has all different file systems and the different hierarchies and so we'll just go to the basic levels of the introduction to the Linux systems and how we can configure. Suppose if you are configuring any Linux operating systems and different file structures and all those things, then later we'll go with Windows hardening as well as the Linux hardening. Okay, just we will have some overview of the Linux operating systems, right? I think how many members have the basic idea about the Linux operating systems? So how many members have the dual boot operating systems and how many members have the Linux operating system with respect to this Oracle VirtualBox or VMware or anything? So any idea about the Linux operating system? So what kind of, yes, Raju, I think you told yes. So what is the flavor you use in your Linux operating system? Dual boot, yeah, perfect, Vijay. Yeah, CentOS, okay. So whether you use a dual boot or it's an like kind of virtualization software and inside the Windows 10 or Windows 8 you install this Linux operating system. Yeah, Ubuntu 20 Neha. Ubuntu 20. So it's a 20 0.LTS. Yes, we have the dedicated Linux VirtualBox. Okay, bare metal. Yeah, I think you have the basic idea about the Linux operating systems and also you have the basic idea about the virtualizations. Okay, so any idea about like how to harden your VirtualBox? How to harden your Linux box? So we'll see like in detail like how to harden your different flavors of Windows and different flavors of Linux. Okay. So today we'll be discussing more on the Windows operating system hardening and also Linux. But basically we'll go some basic kind of Linux operating system. Yeah. So yeah, so basically installation can be done in two ways. One is like you can download the ISO file from the ubuntu.com. I am taking as a Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu is one of the flavor which having a Debian flavor. Okay, which accepts the Debian package format. Okay, so first of all, what I have to do, suppose if I want to download a Ubuntu Linux, so like what exactly I have to, whether I have to go to the website, genuine website, that to ubuntu.com, and where I have to check my SHA level and MD5 hash algorithms. So if it is okay, then I have to go to the downloads and then I have to download a ISO file. So without downloading ISO file, so I can also install the OS, right? So how it is possible? There are some kind of third-party websites are there, third-party softwares are there through which you can burn the image on the DVD. So next thing is like once you've done the ISO image download, so you have to burn the image on the DVD. Okay, so simply downloading the ISO file and you cannot install the OS on your system or laptop or server. Okay, so first of all you have to convert those thing into the bootable media. Okay, so once you're done with the bootable media with any burning softwares. Okay, so there are a lot of ISO burning images formats are there. So one is Nero and one is your CD burner XP through which you can convert your .iso into the bootable iOS files. Okay, so once you've done the image, burn the image on the DVD or CD, whatever the format is. So you have to insert the DVD in the media. Okay, in the media of your PC or server, whatever it may be. So I think you have to change your BIOS mode, right? So how you can change your BIOS mode of your PC? Is it the same thing you have to keep press the key or are there any different formats are there? Like suppose if I restart my PC, right? So when I just keep my CD and I have to install this iOS operating system in my laptop, right? So whether it will be automatic installation will be happen or I have to change my boot order. Can anyone can tell from the chat box? Can anyone can tell in the chat? Suppose I kept a DVD in the drive. So what is the key I have to press in my laptop or desktop or workstation to take my that DVD into the bootable format? Escape. Okay. So Alok Verma ji has told escape button. So what else? Like there are like different buttons are there that depends upon your manufacturer, right? You have to press F2 or F12. Yeah. So delete button, F8. That depends upon your hardware, right? So it depends upon your hardware, but basically F2 will works. F2 and your basically escape will works, and it shows you the BIOS mode. Okay. So where exactly what you have to do means you have to change your priority, boot priority, because there are two to three options are there. One is you have to boot your DVD or CD into the using your bootable disk. That is nothing but your DVD drive. Okay. Second thing is like there is some other option like you have to boot your DVD into from the hard disk. Okay. But your requirement is like you have the DVD, right? So the first priority or first order should be your DVD option, right? Then after selecting that, save it and exit from the BIOS, then again restart it. The automatically the BIOS or BIOS input output method which you have selected will be mooted. Okay, will be booted. Then your installation process is started. After completion of installation, the system will be rebooted. Okay. So, but what is the file system? Basically, a Windows will have, and what is the file system will Linux will have? Can anyone can tell from the chat? What is the file system? Windows obeys, yeah, Windows FAT32. Correct, Alok ji. NTFS, EXT, FS. Yes. EXT is for Windows also, Raju. EXT on, yeah, EXT3 or EXT4 for non Linux. NTFS for Windows partition, new technology file system for the Windows. Extendable file system for the Linux. So the latest file, can you tell me what is the latest file system for the Linux? Can you tell me the version name? Yeah, BetterFS for Linux. What is the latest for yeah, FAT also correct? FAT also for Windows. EXT16, EXT16 or EXT4? Yes, EXT16 is the file system. So the basic difference between your this the file system partition is you have to see like what exactly the file system will be there. Okay. So there will be like NTFS, that is a new technology file system, and there will be like Linux file systems. There will be like ext5 file systems. Okay. So all those things will have a basic priorities, and that depends upon your how many partition you can make. Okay. So can anyone can tell how many primary partition we can create from your what is the standard primary partition you can make from your hard disk, existing hard disk? What is the maximum number of? Yes, 4 primary. What about logical? Logical extended. So the default is 4 primary. So can we make more than 4 primary partition? Is it possible? It's not possible, right? The 4 is the default primary partitions. Okay. So again, you can make n number of logical partitions, then followed by your extended file systems, right? So these are the basic and the level of your partition size, and what are the different weight level of your partitions and all those. Okay. So these are some of the things you have to check for while you are creating any partitions and while you are creating any file size and all those things. Okay.